You've nailed the art of crafting a perfect pastry and are ready to open your own bakery. But turning that passion into a profitable reality requires a solid foundation with a winning bakery business plan. What is your bakery? A cozy spot with signature sweets? A wholesale supplier of beautiful breads? Your executive summary will concisely lay out your entire vision, your bakery's concept, mission, market, and core values. Think of it as your elevator pitch, designed to grab attention and communicate the essence of your delicious venture. Diving deeper, the company overview provides the practical details. What exactly will you offer? Who owns the business? And what's the structure? What's your vision for the customer experience? Paint a picture of your bakery's aesthetic, the colors, the ambiance, the feeling you want to create. Behind every great bakery is a skilled team. Whether it's just you and a helper or a larger crew, outlining your management structure and operational plan is critical. Consider the skills you'll need, from baking to marketing and customer service. Think about whether you'll need full-time or part-time staff and how you'll train and compensate your valuable team. Your menu is your star attraction, and your sample menu is a tangible representation of your concept. It helps you think through the practicalities of production, the specialized equipment you'll need, like that massive stand mixer, and even the smaller essentials. It's a vital tool for showcasing your vision and demonstrating to potential investors that you've thought through the details. Don't underestimate the importance of understanding your landscape. How do bakeries in your area compete? Who are your potential customers? And what are their wants and needs? Your market analysis should identify your target segment and how you plan to attract them, whether it's by filling a gap or offering a unique experience. How will you draw in those hungry customers? Your marketing and publicity strategy should build on your market analysis. Consider the impact of a grand opening, the loyalty of repeat customers, and the power of word of mouth. Don't forget the reach of social media and a well-defined online presence to bring both locals and visitors to your door. Branded graphics contribute to your overall brand identity. Think about how your logo, color palette, and even the design of your business plan documents visually communicate the essence of your bakery and the experience you want to offer. Business operations is where the nuts and bolts of your daily operations come in. Detail your customer service approach, your point of sale system, inventory tracking, and even your supply chain. Clearly define the customer experience and how your team will deliver it. If you're seeking funding, this section is critical. Outline your current funding status and your plans for securing additional capital. Provide potential investors with information on projected profits and expenses, and detail any benefits they might receive by investing in your delicious dream. Get ready to crunch the numbers. Detail your expected operating expenses, from labor and ingredients to rent and utilities. A break-even analysis and realistic sales forecasts will demonstrate the financial viability of your bakery and give investors confidence in your plan. Writing and editing your business plan, you'll become the world's only expert on your bakery and be on your way to making it a reality. Check out the link below to download our free bakery business plan guide.